In this video, we're going to discuss how to find the midpoint of a line. So we've got a line that starts at -3, 1 and goes to 1, -4. We want to find the middle point of this. So somewhere in this general area is what we're looking for. Okay, because that's pretty much in the middle. I know it's not perfect. So to find our midpoint, we're going to add our x values and then find the average of it, because the average is going to be dead in the middle. So if we take our first x and we add our second x, and I've got 2 points here, so I'm going to divide by 2 and find the average of those 2 points. Okay. For my y value, I'm going to add my 2 y values and take the average. So 1 plus -4 divided by 2. -3 plus 1 is going to give me -2 divided by 2. And 1 plus -4 is -3 divided by 2. -2 divided by 2 is -1. And -3 divided by 2 is -1.5. So you see I've written it out as coordinate point where I've got an x value and a y value. Because wherever this point is, it's going to be a coordinate point consisting of both an x and a y. So -1, -1.5. -1, -1.5. I was pretty close there. You know, my line's not perfect, so it should be down just a little more. But that's the way we find the midpoint. So just like with most other assignments, I want to show you another way to do it. I think about my triangle again, just like I do with distance. Okay? And in this case, I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4 units to get to the other point. And I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to get to there. Well, let's go with full length. To go half the length, I would just have to go over 2 units. 1, 2. So now I'm on the 1. And to go half that distance to get to the midpoint, I would only need to go down 2.5. 1, 2.5. And you notice I get to the same point. It's a little tougher to figure out exactly where you're at, but I think -2, -1. And I think I'm at +1, and I go down 2.5, 0, -1, -1.5.